chip. It's not even a flavor.
We're headed to a little sleeper of a town called Benicia in California today that we're going to go check out. So the original state capital of California is located in Benicia, and they do tours of it. And there's a little burger joint with some well-known burgers, I guess. So we're going to be checking that out. And they have a...
What? Oh, they have a haunted hotel.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, I was still trying to figure out what sleeper means.
What sleeper means?
I don't know
it's
if
a bedroom community.
If it means it's boring
tiny.
or we're going to go take a nap. I don't know what's
going on. It's a tiny little town.
A tiny little town.
It's like Mayberry.
But they have a haunted hotel.
And they have a haunted hotel.
And the ghosts are calling me.
You know what? Mayberry had a haunted hotel too. So, so there you go. Just the ghosts were older there.
Did they?
I would say they did.
Oh. Anyway, we're going on the day that they have a farmer's market.
And a farmer's market. So we're looking forward to
buying some farmers.
Buying some farmer goods.
Oh, farmer goods.
I don't want to buy a farmer. No. But I'll buy some farmer's goods.
Yes. Oh.
And we will support their community.
We will.
So
we're going to check it out. It's supposed to be really nice. There. Really, really cool town.
Yep. We're looking forward to it.
Yep. See you in a bit.
Bye.
Welcome to the city of Benicia. Once the pride of the gold rush, now a quiet gem on the Carquinez Strait. From state capital to near ghost town and back again, this town has been a military outpost, a shipping hub, and an artist haven. Today, it's where California history meets small town charm. Our first stop, the California state capital. Well, former capital. For 13 short months in the 1850s, lawmakers met right here, hoping Benicia would become the political heart of the state. Well, Sacramento won, but the building and the stories remain.
We've arrived at Benicia, and we are standing on the top of the steps at the state capitol, original state capitol of California.
It was the state capitol for 1 year.
1 year.
From 1853 to 1854.
And you know what? They moved it.
They did.
Because they couldn't find good housing.
The legislators couldn't find housing. But most importantly,
they couldn't find good furniture.
No decent furniture in the town of Benicia.
Furniture in Benicia.
So they left.
They packed up and they left.
They went to Sacramento.
They did. Yep.
Good riddance.
But anyways, they left the building. So here we are. So we're going to go check out the building.
It's supposed to look like it did in 1850. Like right. Exactly.
Right.
So we're going to go check it out.
All right, so we were having a little change of plans. We thought we were going to get into the state capitol today and be able to see it, but that door that was closed behind us is not only just closed, it's locked, and there's nobody here today. We've walked all over the property, which isn't that large, but we walked all over and nobody is here. So, note, if you ever check on a state park like the Benicia Capitol, like we are right now, and it says that it's open, I'd call ahead and make sure that it's open.
charming, historic, and maybe haunted. He also recorded footsteps, flickering lights, and the feeling that someone's watching, even when no one's there. Sleep tight.
So we made it to the Union Hotel. You can see the sign behind us in the back there. This actually was featured some
Ghost Adventurers.
Ghost
See, he's not
Adventurers.
up on his ghosties.
No, I'm not really up on all that
Yeah,
stuff.
it's supposed to be haunted. You're supposed to be able to see a guy in Civil War clothes
Yep.
and the lady in white.
Yeah. We're not going in the hotel though, because I don't want to see the Civil War guy or the lady.
I kind of do.
But
I kind of do.
yeah,
Maybe I'll come back and,
someday.
and spend the
Maybe
night.
we'll spend the night here.
All right, moving on.
See ya.
Give Mom the gift of wellness. Mom needs the gift of wellness.
She needs more than
What do you think?
100% organic
You're gonna give me the gift of wellness?
organic wellness.
Every Thursday afternoon from April to October, Benicia's First Street comes alive with fresh produce, live music, and that unmistakable whiff of kettle corn. It's not big, but it's got heart. Homemade soaps and at least 3 kinds of peaches.
There was this lady, she said, "Hi, y'all," and Trey said, "Hi." And it was, there were other people walking up behind us.
You think we're known here or something?
Not in love anymore. Keep forgetting things will never be the same again. Keep forgetting how you made it so clear. Keep forgetting.
Right on First Street, Lucca's is where locals go for burgers, drinks, and a little beer garden with live music. It's casual, it's classic, and yes, that is garlic you smell. You're welcome.
So we got our drinks, and we're just waiting on Linner now.
Because the Capitol building wasn't open.
The Capitol building wasn't open.
So therefore I need a glass of wine.
Kind of disappointed about that, you know.
That's my excuse.
So-
My story I'm sticking to.
So Lucca's is an old building as well. It used to be
No, it
a pub
It did.
back in the day.
No, it didn't.
Guess what it is now? A bar and grill.
It's a bar and grill. We've actually been to this bar before.
We have.
A long time ago, before there were
Yeah.
these people that
Before
follow
there
us
were
around all the
little
time.
ones that.
But we forgot to tell you, Union Hotel used to be a brothel.
Oh yeah, that's right.
That
That's
must be
right.
the lady in white.
Yeah, right. Could be. Could be. Yeah.
There should be a lady in nothing.
And why there's a soldier in there.
See, he's not leaving.
Yes, that's right.
Gross.
It was so good he came.
gross.
Decided to stay.
Yep.
What?
So,
But
anyways,
that's cool.
okay.
Anyway,
So we're gonna have dinner. Hey, we want to say too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Right, hit the like button.
yeah.
You don't have
We want
to
to support this nonsense.
You don't have to punch it, smash it, crush it. You don't have to run outside and scream, jump up and down. But please hit the like button and please subscribe. We'd really appreciate
Yeah,
it.
surprise.
Yeah,
You don't want to miss me not talking all the
that's
time.
right. Yeah.
Come along for the ride. And I knew that was going to happen.
I'm so sorry.
Why are you sorry? It was you.
Buddy, what is going on with you?
Everything he does, everything he has is his fault.
Okay, so the Capitol building was closed. Grace is wearing his drink.
Can't take him anywhere.
We can't.
Any one of these boys, you can't take them anywhere.
We can't.
because-
Wait, what did I do? I'm
There.
well behaved.
Mister, I put my hands on everybody.
Yeah, we've had some shoving, a little punching.
Pushing,
Oh, and we don't forget the punching that you had when you got the bloody nose the other night.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah, that was a blast.
That's a good time.
Yeah.
Boys are fun.
So, anyways,
We should have more.
we're
No.
Okay.
so we're sitting down. We're gonna sit down. We should be getting our meal here pretty soon, which I can't wait.
I can't
to
wait.
Get food. Yes.
It's the best part of the day.
Yeah. We're splitting a bunch of appetizers, so we'll let you know how those are.
Yeah, we'll show them to
Looking
you.
Forward to that.
So we're at Lucca's Bar and Grill. So we'll let you know how it
Used
is.
to be originally it was a saloon.
Yes.
And guess what? It's a bar and grill.
It is.
Yeah.
We didn't tell you.
Yeah.
The Union Hotel used to be a brothel.
Yeah. It was a brothel. Yes.
Hence the lady in white.
Yeah.
I'm getting a
And a soldier that'll never leave.
Why would she be wearing white if she worked in the brothel?
I don't know.
And
I
I'm
don't know. Maybe that was
Riddle
the
me
thing
that
that
one.
days, you know.
I don't know.
If she's passed over, she's in white.
Maybe if I had told you it was a brothel earlier, would we have stayed at the hotel to go see the ghostly room?
Things are blowing off the table.
Yeah, it's super windy here.
It's really windy.
really windy.
Blowing everything over. So, anyways, remember, subscribe.
Absolutely.
hit
And
the
look
like
for Ciccio
button,
in this
And
episode.
look for Ciccio.
Tell us where she is,
That's
and
right.
you will enter
And
to win.
We'll enter you
our
in
monthly
for the
drawing.
drawing. She's at home. And you can win yourself a piece of RV Crazie garb.
Yeah, it's going to be very, very valuable
Right.
in the near
That's right.
future.
Ocean shows
It
up.
is.
Very valuable.
It is.
Yeah.
I'm telling you. You might not even want to wear it. Just put it away.
That's
Save
right.
it. It's going to go up in price.
Dude.
It is.
Yeah.
All right. We'll talk to you in a little bit. He's chasing a napkin. It's like a fight of heaven. Get ready. Get ready.
Oh my gosh.
Seriously. Is that not delicious?
Man.
I know.
If you forget the cold, everything's so forgetting
good.
about the wind. That's a good
I forgot about
oyster sauce.
what you having there?
One side.
Go oysters.
Take them.
No, I'm not cooking a spider.
Interesting.
Here,
Are there pearls in there? You sure?
Just swallow it down.
There you go. Good, right?
As good as my slider? Are you gonna puke?
No.
Ew! Whose child are you?
Dad's.
I did. Oh,
Yeah, it's like very like seafoody. Like it's sour, not sour.
yeah. You're licking the ocean.
Oh, I cannot eat that.
Yeah, look, you took a burger bite right out.
We're just having an all-night thing then, huh?
We got nowhere to be.
Yeah.
Oh, what is happening to your face?
Oh, horseradishes.
Oh, Lucca's Bar and Grill.
So good.
Yeah, very good. Delicious.
Literally want to marry the sliders.
Yep. Yep.
I'm leaving my family, and the sliders are going to be my new family. They're amazing.
You're gonna lose your family almost instant.
And if you come here, ask for Joyce because she was the best server, the most patient soul, kind. She was really good.
She was wonderful.
Yeah, she was.
Yeah.
Joyce, thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Joyce.
Thank you, Joyce. We're leaving downtown Benicia.
Leaving downtown Benicia.
It was really fun. It was a really cute
It's a little
town.
town. A little windy today.
Little windy. A lot of windy. He's
Yeah, a lot
lying.
of
It's a
windy.
lot of windy today.
Yeah, right. But it was nice town. Beautiful. This is another do-over.
Do you think so?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yep.
Well, I think it's a do-over just because of Lucca's sliders.
Yeah. Well, the sliders.
So good.
Wow. Their
We
food
got
was
a couple
actually
orders
really
of
good.
them because, one wasn't enough.
I wasn't really expecting a lot, but I'll tell you what.
Their food was really good.
Yeah,
We were
great.
here 102 years ago.
Yeah.
And we used to go to Lucca's.
Yep.
Really good.
No, really good.
Food was
It
amazing.
was really delicious.
And our server was
Yeah.
amazing.
Server was wonderful.
Thank you, Benicia.
Yep.
We're going to go check out some more historic sites right
We
now.
are. We'll see you over there. So that behind us is the Benicia Clock Tower at the Benicia Arsenal.
Benicia Arsenal.
Yep, and that was built in 1855. It's an armament storehouse is what it was. So ammunitions were stored there, and it supplied actually a couple different world wars, and was very instrumental World War I and Korean War. For military support. So there was an explosion there in 1912 that had suffered substantial damage. And today, Benicia, the city of Benicia actually owns it, and they use it for special events and all that. Of course, it's closed, so we can't go inside.
Of course it is.
But it's a very beautiful building on the outside.
It really is.
So really enjoy it.
The whole grounds is really pretty, and it has the old commander's quarters here.
Yep.
Really worth driving up and checking it out.
Yeah.
A lot of history here.
Yeah, it really is a lot of history.
For a town you never heard of.
No, I know. Yeah, it's nice.
There's a lot of history.
Yep.
Thanks for joining us in downtown Benicia. History, ghosts, and a whole lot of peaches. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss next week's adventure. Let's just say it might involve bars, and not the kind that serve root beer.
Quiet on the set.
Hey, everybody.
Sorry.
You know what's weird for wimps?
That should be absolutely recorded. You think between the two of us we could hold the camera?
Yeah,
I wonder if it is.
Churros.
with chocolates.
Very expensive churros. I believe we took a loan out to get those said churros. I'm gonna say that's what it is. Oh, gross.
Why in the middle of a meal are you across the street?
Good. Right. We're having problems holding the camera.
We're having
right
problems
now.
in
You haven't
general.
noticed the
We're sorry.
All good.
He doesn't have his Tommy Tippy cup today.
I never used a Tommy Tippy cup.
Well, you should have.
Here's and
Get him away from me.
Think you can escape this family? You cannot. You are in it for the long haul.
oh, I know.